Jambo, everybody, or should I say welcome to this episode of Beth's Best, your home for room tours, guides, and reviews. Today we are at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge and we are in a value one-bedroom villa. Value category, these rooms are very hard to get. This is room 5130. Let's check it out. Coming in the front door, you are immediately in the kitchen. Now, one of the things that I really love about one bedrooms, DVC units, is the kitchen and the kitchen space. It's just so nice, particularly if you have a family with you, to have a full-size fridge and an oven and a microwave and even a dishwasher. I mean, it's like living the dream right there. So come right in. If you've stayed at the Jambo House in a DVC villa before, this is a value category, and what that means, there's a lot of confusion about this. Let me explain what it means. What that means is that these rooms were initially built as standard cash-paying rooms when Jambo House was built, and then it was converted into a DVC unit. So in reality, they're just a little bit narrower. They're a little bit less square footage than the standard or the Savannah View rooms, DVC units are here. And one of the other things to be aware of with the value, number one, they're really hard to get unless you own at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge like we do. If you don't and you can get it 7 months, God bless you, that's great. But one of the things to be aware of is that the view is not guaranteed. So you could end up with the value view room that's looking out over the Savannah. There are a couple of rooms like that, which we are in, which I'll show you at the end of the video. And there's several that look out over the pool. Actually, the majority look out over the pool, and then there are even some that look out over the front parking lot. So don't think that you can guarantee it, because Disney will not accept a room request that says, I want a Savannah view if you're booked into a value category. Just something to be aware of. But I love these rooms. I think that they are a fantastic use of points if you can get them. So the kitchen is a little bit narrower than what the standard rooms are at Jambo, but you do have all the same full-size appliances when you get this nice granite island, which is fantastic. And you do have a decent amount of storage space. If you watch my other videos, thank you, and you'll know from my Kidani video that I don't particularly love the Kidani kitchens because I find that there isn't a lot of storage space. And here at Jambo, for whatever reason, I do find that there's little pockets that are empty that you can kind of put your stuff away. So coming from the kitchen into kind of the living room space, we've still got the same standard dining set that you have in the Jambo and Kidani rooms here, which is going to see, you could probably fit 5 there if you wanted to. And then you've got the living room. This hallway, which I'll show you in a minute, is going to lead you to the master bedroom. There's a washer and dryer at the end of the hallway, and the one and only bathroom in this unit. One of the things to be aware of is that the value rooms only sleep 4. So the Savannah View and the Standard View one bedrooms here at Jambo House do sleep 5 because they have a chair that pulls out into like a twin-sized bed. This one does not. This is just, for sitting. There's no sleeper there, so you're only going to be able to fit 4 in. But this does fold out into kind of a small queen or a full-size bed, which is a nice option to have. Coming down out of the living room, you've got a hallway here, and here is your stackable washer and dryer, which, I don't know about you, but it's pretty nice to be able to do laundry if you are here for a week. That will save your butt. And a heck of a lot cheaper than paying the hotel to do it for you. And then now we've got the bathroom, and we've got the bedroom. We're in the one and only bathroom here for the value one bedroom. So you've got a great soaker tub here with jets. And it's not a separate shower, but you do have a shower head here as well. So this is going to be your one-stop shop. And then behind me, you have the water closet just with the toilet in it. I like the fact that they give you a full-length mirror. And we've only got one sink here in this bathroom. But again, nice granite tops and plenty of space for all of your toiletries. This is the one bedroom for the one bedroom DVC unit. We've got a massive king size bed here, nice TV, you've got 6 drawers. There isn't a closet in this room, so what you get instead is an armoire just with some standard hanging space, not very generous, and a safe. We also got a desk, and then you have your own private entrance onto your balcony. So here we are on this massive balcony. I love that all of the one bedrooms here have this big continuous balcony. Only 2 chairs though, for a room that sleeps 4. I find that kind of puzzling, but hey, it is what it is. And as I said before, we did get one of those fantastic Savannah view rooms. This is 5130 in a value 1-bedroom unit. So now it's time for my thoughts on the value 1-bedroom villa. In general, I really like the value rooms here at Animal Kingdom Jambo House. They're a fantastic deal on points. As I said before, you do need to own here really for all intents and purposes in order to get any of these rooms. I like the value 1-bedroom for sure. It does feel a little tighter, a little narrower, which it is, versus the standard 1-bedroom villas here at Jambo, and definitely smaller than the 1-bedrooms at Kidani, which are even larger. Check out my video on that. Would I recommend these rooms? Absolutely. You just need to be aware that you are making a gamble with what kind of view you're going to get. And if looking at the parking lot potentially does not bother you, then you have no problem whatsoever. Go ahead and book it if you get the chance. But these rooms, again, only sleep 4. And this has been Beth's Best. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like. That way it pops up higher in the search for other people who are looking for the same content. And subscribe, hit the bell. See where I'm going next. That way you'll get notifications. You know, that's the great thing about it. And please share the video if you thought it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon.